Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'm going to show you how to change the watch strap on a G-Shock. So maybe you don't like the one that it came with, or you want to change it to a different style, or you want to change it to a different colour. So let me show you how you do it. First things first, this should work for all G-Shocks, because what G-Shocks come with is, if I show you there, see where you've got, hold on, let me get it back up to the camera a bit better. Right, so see where you've got those points there, that's what clamps the strap onto the body itself. Now this G-Shock here is the GST W1000, and I've got other videos out there showing you how to fix the time. If you wanted to change the strap, and I'll put a link at the bottom, you need to look for the strap where basically, and it's really easy, so a lot of other watches you'll have a pin that goes in here. Actually what happens here is that this comes with an Allen key. So all you do is just put the Allen key into there, undo it, and go from there. So let me show you how you do that. So here we go. So if you wanted to undo this side here, you put the Allen key into that screw bit there and you turn it anti-clockwise. Okay. And what you'll find is, if I just do this, okay, so you can see it. Don't need much force. Eventually, that screw will come out. Okay, now you don't want to lose that, and this is where you want to do it over a flat surface. You don't want to be doing it over grass or anything like that. That'll eventually come out, like that. So you can then just take that away, pull that out there, okay? And then what you'll find is that the other side, exactly the same, in which before you pull the strap away, you want to undo that, so turn it anti-clockwise. Make sure that the Allen key that you've got has gone fully in, turning anti-clockwise. Now when you do these back up, obviously doing the opposite, don't try and raunch them too tight. You don't want to ruin the thread on the little screws in here. So, eventually you'll feel it go loose, then you can just undo that. Like that. So what you'll have is the strap itself just comes off there. You can see, if you look there, you've got that piece there is where the two screws go in either side, okay, to hold it. Then you do the same on the other side. And there you go, last strap out. So now you've just got the watch itself, okay, and you'll have 4 screws that have all come out, and all of these screws are exactly the same, and go there. So just look at them. You don't need to do anything abrasive with them. Just give them maybe a clean with your fingers or a bit of a tissue, because they might have got a bit mucky and dirty. What you're doing is you're just putting the strap that you want. So in this case I want to put this metal strap on. You're just putting this where it is. Again, there's links at the top. So you want to line up the strap so that it lines up with there, and then all you're doing is doing the opposite. So you're just taking that one of those little screws, putting it in the top there, and then you're just turning it clockwise and screwing it up. So when you do put the screw in, make sure you're not forcing anything. So you might try and just push it in softly by hand, so it's in there, and then do it up. If you feel like there's any resistance when you start tightening up, don't force it, because you don't want to, what they call cross thread it. So you don't want to ruin the thread of it going in, okay? So once you put one side in, then you go to the other side. Again, same again. Put the screw in, find the hole on the body of the watch there, and then all you're doing is move it around, see if you can get it going with your fingers, and then again. You'll soon feel if it goes tight. And I won't do it all the way, but that's it. So then you put the other bit of the watch strap on, tighten up, there you go. you've got a new watch strap on. Like I said, when you tighten up these little screws, make sure you don't really force this round. Just do it so it's just slightly hand tight. And make sure when you're moving it, there's no wiggle in it or anything like that. Okay,
I hope this helped. Please do like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.